spotted our first glance of Castaway Cay. Good morning from our veranda. Sorry we ended so abruptly last night because we were just so tired. We were actually planning on, so they're screening Black Widow last night in the Buena Vista Theater, which would be awesome because it just came out and it's still in theaters and stuff. We were like, yeah, let's go. And we got back from dinner at like 10 and the screening was at like 11:30 and we were like, let's just take like a 1 hour nap. And I woke up an hour later and I was like, I cannot. So we did not end up going to that and just slept, which is, I think, good because we would be really tired today otherwise. But now it's like 7, it's almost 8, 7:50. I've been up for an hour or so. We're gonna go down to breakfast at 8. I'm in a robe, but I have clothes on under this. And then we're gonna get off and explore the island. We have nothing on our schedule today, so we can do whatever we want. I'm excited. Good morning.
Can I take a picture of mine? This is the allergy-friendly one.
Oh yeah, so different from this one. Oh.
It's with you.
I know.
Sarah, can I give you one?
Wasabi. Ah, look where we are.
Where are we?
Water. Okay, I have to put my phone. There's a little trolley. Oh, the people are on it.
Oh, where?
Who got to get off? Come on. Wow. Hi, Castaway Cay. Good morning, island. Yay! Yay! Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you excited?
Yes.
We're watching Moana, as one does, and about to get onto the island. Yay! Sun's screening up right now. But we had a little preview over here. I mean, I already showed this, but yay! There's Castaway Cay. So, yeah, we can't wait. Yay!
It's the other side. People are disembarking from.
Cool. Yup. And we made it!
We made it.
Woohoo! There's the big red boat. Look how cute it is.
And red.
Imagine docking that. Dang, I'm impressed. So, anyway, we gotta go find, oh, there's your dad.
Hi, Mama.
Yeah, and your mom. That's so fun.
We're doing stingrays.
Yeah, I know.
11:15. That went. Can I get a couple napkins though?
Hi.
Hello.
Wanna say where we are?
We're on a bench.
Yeah, we're on a bench. We're at the tram stop at Serenity Bay because Nick has pre-ordered his lunch because of like allergies and whatever, and we have to go back to Cookies 1, which is where you get on the island.
Mm-hmm.
And Stormy Bay is way on the other side. So we're taking the tram back. We're gonna go get lunch. Stormy Bay also has a lunch spot here. We went and got ice cream there and refilled our water bottles with ice. So that was our pre-lunch ice cream. Then we'll have a post-lunch ice cream probably. So, yeah. How are you enjoying your day?
I am, are you?
Yeah, we went snorkeling a little bit and we found 2 sea stars. They were alive and big, like so cool. And we found a lot of small fish. I think the coolest fish were the little blue and yellow ones. Oh, sounds like the tram's coming.
It's not.
Oh, it's not a tram. It's a little like gator. Not like gator, but like Jack Daniels. That's not Jack Daniels. What are they called?
Oh, Jack Daniels and gator?
No, what are they called? John Deere. One of those names.
Oh, little Jack Daniels,
Little
John
Jack
Deere.
Daniels. No. Speaking of Jack Daniels, though, you should get a fun drink.
Oh, Jack Daniels?
Maybe.
I saw a crab.
Oh, yeah. You saw it. I didn't see it, but.
Yeah, it burrowed itself and hid.
Yeah.
And since it's all sand, I didn't know where it went.
Well, we'll go back out again. It was fun. It was really cool. And the beach is beautiful. The sand is so soft and white.
Sandy.
And sandy. Yeah.
This
one's the tram. All right, here we go.
Snuck-a-bana.
All right, masks on.
I'll do it.
Thank you. Oh, look at the boat. That's a big boat.
Big boat.
A big boat. This is Pelican Point. This is the family side. And it's nice. Even this over here seems really nice and, not crazy or anything. Not like packed. Looks so fun. And this little play thing looks so fun.
Go on it.
Yeah, your mom wants to go on.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Where's your hat?
I'll do my best. Look at that!
Look at that, there's the boat.
Wow.
Look how small it is.
An itty bitty boat.
Very, very boat.
Hey, push it. Bye, boat. All right. Hello. Oh, my camera's a little foggy. Wait. Okay, that looks better. Okay, Nick's still waiting for his food because he pre-ordered. But I'll show what I got. This giant cookie. The place is called Cookies, so you have to have a cookie.
Cookies barbecue.
Yeah.
So you gotta have some
Cookie
barbecue.
and barbecue. So here it's like maple bourbon salmon or something like that, and then coleslaw and a macaroni salad and grilled corn salad or something, and this is a veggie burger. And I got my ketchup, and they give you the little silverware and a nice napkin, and we're in a nice covered picnic area. So, yay! I'm excited. Okay, now his food came. Ribs,
Rib, spicy chicken,
veggies.
veggies. That looks good, except for the veggies. It looks a bit sad. But
He's gonna see if he can get the coleslaw, because it's probably not free. So, yay! Happy lunch. All right, our weather's changed a bit, but still blue skies over here. We're getting rained on a little bit, huh?
a little bit.
Yeah, but it's nice. It feels good. It's bringing in a cool breeze,
It is.
and it's been quite hot. So, yay! There was just some thunder, big thunder and lightning. Now everyone has to get out of the water.
Big Thunder Beach.
Big Thunder Beach. Yeah, but look over here. It's still nice over there. I don't know if we have to leave the beach though. I don't know if we can stay here or not. go see. The guy said beach was closed though, so maybe. Okay, we had grand plans to take a nap on the beach, but that's not happening right now with this over here. Nick's parents were just here. They packed up. They're going back on the ship. We're trying to figure out what we want to do. But it's kind of crazy. They said over on that side of the island where they were, it like poured rain. It was like soaking wet. But here you can see dry sand. It hasn't really rained over here yet, so yeah, we'll see. But we'll probably head back earlier than originally planned.
Yeah.
But I still wouldn't mind like walking around a little bit, especially since like everyone's going back on the ship right now. You'd have to stand in a line anyway.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah. And there's a lot of the island that we haven't really seen yet. This is kind of cool though.
Thunder.
Yeah. Look at that. It's kind of crazy how quickly that changed. So, yeah, but I think we'll go. I want to go walk around, I think. So, well, maybe we'll grab an ice cream cone. It won't melt so fast now. We'll see.
Was not expecting to get wet today.
LOL. Yeah. At least not like this.
Alright, at least we got everything in dry bags.
Yeah, that's true.
I'll put your head in one.
Okay. It is wet in here. Wow. Your parents probably made a good call. Leaving
It's
when
like
they
the
did.
Kalahari River Rapids.
No, Kali River Rapids.
Kali River Rapids.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's all that. Yeah, it's wet.
I'm wet.
Hey. Woohoo! It is a little wet out here. We decided to walk back to the boat. I'm waiting for Nick because he said he's going to take his shoes off. He's back there. He's trying to keep his shoes dry because they're the one pair that he brought. So, yep. I've got my Chacos, which are the best shoes ever. And I think everyone should have a pair. But here he comes, barefoot. Woohoo! Let's go. There it is. That's crazy. It's a little bit obscured right now.
Oh, we can go on the trail.
Good timing. How are you feeling?
Wet.
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 I'm out. I just got so slammed. The way this sounds, it's like an echo chamber. This is fun. There's a boat. Here we go. My eyes look bloodshot from all the water in my eyes.
I can't underwear to say your thing.
That's okay. Okay, the pro tip that I learned is when you go to ice cream, get it in a cup. You get so much. Look at all that ice cream. Are they gonna keep going? That's so cute. That's the most metal do you want about the snowman? Is that it?
That might be it.
That was fun.
That was loud.
Hi, Cinderella.
Yeah.
She waved at us. You gotta wave for
She
Cinderella. Wow. Okay, I figured out like one of my all-time favorite things to do on this ship is watch
children.
to watch the kids interact with the princesses. It makes me so happy, and also myself. Like me seeing the princesses, I get so excited. Little bells, so excited to see Tiana. Oh my god, I cannot. Oh my god, this is too much. And Jasmine's over there too. You can't really see her here, but oh my god, look at them all. They're so cute. Okay, Nick's gonna help us out. Yep, there's Jasmine. I just can't. These little kids are so excited. And me too. Nick can attest to this.
Yes.
Right? When I...
Yeah, Sarah cannot. She can't even.
Yeah, well, when we walk from over here and we're like, are there princesses? I get really excited. So, yeah. And we gotten a bunch to wave at us from up here. So, it's so exciting. But gosh, just looking at, like, watching these kids get so excited makes me so happy. I love it. Okay, we have this Nick's parents so kindly got us some non-alcoholic sparkling cider or something, and we're gonna open it up with this beautiful backdrop.
It said shake.
It said shake it, so, and watch the magic.
I don't think I'm gonna shake it that much.
Well, oh goodness. Oh boy.
I don't think it's.
Oh, all right.
I don't know how I was supposed to shake it.
Or what magic? It's bubbling.
Not sure what magic there was.
No, but that was
Maybe,
fun.
maybe let me push it back in.
Now we're
shake
gonna
it.
try reshaking it. Look at all that stuff down there. Yeah, or kelp or seaweed or something. Oh boy, now we're really shaking. It just said watch the magic. We are not
Is that
entirely
magic?
sure. Yeah, is that magic? Well, it is kind of interesting. It kind of reminds me of a lava lamp.
It's a little bit magical.
Yeah.
That's some stuff in
That's
there.
pretty cool. Well, let's try it. Let's see how it is. We're gonna see a fireworks show. Yeah.
I'm full.
We're very full. We just had dinner at Palo. We'll talk about this soon, but woo! I'm wearing a bathrobe because it was really cold in our room, but now it's really hot out here. And no one else is in pajamas. Everyone else looks cute and dressed up, but whatever. We're digesting over here, okay?
I needed stretchy bad.
Yeah, I put my leggings on. Same reason. Oh boy.